Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is me getting ready for graduation class 2020. So I'm gonna be recreating a look, very simple glam look. I don't want anything too dramatic or anything, so I decided to do a very soft look. And I already did my eyebrows. It looks pretty good. Like I'm done too. So I'm gonna do foundation. So I'm really liking this sponge from e.l.f. I think I should crop it because it's that good. So I'm gonna use like 3 foundations. Can't have one sock. And Super Stay. So I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty. So this is gonna be like my main base because it's darker. So hope this color matches me because I don't got time to look dark while my skin doesn't look that dark. I need to get like that scooper thing for your makeup. And I have a little it's not like a party, but I'm like having decorations in my room, my house. And it's just like little decorations I want. I didn't want like a party or anything. I didn't want like, you know, just like family, just like my family in the house. I need to get my foundation, but maybe a little dot. Like that. And like that. I just wanted like decorations up. I don't want anything big or anything. So I'm excited. But yeah, I didn't want like a big party or anything because I just wanted something small. And I will show you a video of like what I have decorated outside the living room. Dang it, I got foundations in my nail. I like that. And I found, and y'all, I already seen these. They're the Kiss ones, and they're super cute. I hate in my nails. So, I get my sponge and then just blend it, and this gives you full coverage. So, like, look at that. Yes, I don't know what to get. I got a gift card. I don't know what foundation to get. I need foundation and a face primer. I'm like, ugh. There's so many things I need for makeup because I'm running out. I have to get like a high-end. I need a high-end foundation because my Born This Way, my Fenty are like going out like to the last drop and we scraping out from the sides. Okay. I look orange, but the Fenty oxidizes, so it matches my skin anyways. Cause like it's weird, cause I get tan, like on my arms, and everywhere's dark, but my chest area it stays light, so it looks awkwardly funny. But I'm like really bringing it down my neck. I'll just bring it right here. So, I'll fill it for my forehead. I'll use this one, my e.l.f. one, hydrating. And like so sad, let me tell you. And I'm gonna take this because I hate when it dries right here. It's supposed to be at a American Bank Center, but since it's colored and everything, and you can't be like real close to people, they decided to put it outside. First time it's been outside, and it was so it's gonna be outside, and it's gonna be hot because it's like later on in the day, and I'm gonna be sweating like crazy. Let this dry. Using is this Peach Perfect from Too Faced for under my eyes only because it gives a very smooth finish. And get your powder sponge, Real Techniques. I'm running out of it. Then 2 on, and I'm in the shade medium 25. And this gives you a very smooth finish, and it's like the same color of my skin, so it's like blends better. So you want to pat and then twirl it. And then after this, you want to spray your face. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. This is my first and last walking stage in high school. Or spray your face, and I'm using the Scandinavia makeup priming spray, but I'm gonna use this because it's very has the way it sprays, and it feels good. And just like to hydrate your face, so it's much powder. You want to hydrate, and I'm wearing all matte foundations. So you're already do your face highlight. See, natural glow. We love this. So I look white right now. Always does that on camera. I look for eyeshadow, I'm using the Soft Glam from Anyssa and Morphe brush in 441, and I'm gonna use the shade Orange Soda. It's this one. And we're gonna put that all over our lids. Very soft color. Not this in there. Rustic as our brown liner. So I'm gonna get this Morphe. Oh, it doesn't have a name, but it's a little brush. This little brush to like smoke it out. So I'm gonna use Rustic a little bit. End of the eyebrow, end of my lash line. Back with Orange Soda and just blend it. I'm gonna use some white glitter. These are from Amazon. I got a whole package. And I'm gonna put, where's the brush? A little bit. I'm not gonna glue or anything. I'm just gonna place. And I feel like it falls, it falls. Just a little bit. Just like, okay, hold on. Like, see that? Nothing too dramatic. We're gonna do bronzer. I'm gonna do very little hand sculpted. So I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And as you can tell, I like the middle shade. So we're gonna bronze up the face. So tap, and then you wanna flick up, flick up. And then blend. Oh yeah, see how smooth it looks? another Hula bronzer, but I'm using the Hula one for my nose. And all I have left is like that. So, you know, it's pretty tight. So I like to, and then under the lip, do the nose, the little cute stuff. Okay, and then want to spray your face again. Oh shoot. So I'm gonna use this brush. I think it's from Beach Cosmetics. Yeah, it's the 140 brush. And I'm gonna, and then, oh my god, look how gorgeous. Oh, I'll be popping. Yes, oh my. In the comments, you tell me if this is so beautiful. This is the Amberisi one, by the way. And then the forehead, can't forget the forehead. And then they're like right in the middle. Look at that, oh my god, we're looking like class right now. Say what? Oh my god. Oh, yes. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna do the nose and the inner corner of my eye and then my brow bone. So, I already put my lashes on. I just decided to do like whatever else I didn't show on camera because my camera died. So I wore these Dollar Tree lashes in the style wispy long crisscross. I'm like dying. I'm wearing this kind, and I'm wearing my Kat Von D Lolita 2 lipstick, and I forgot to show you I put blush on, and of course I use my Wet n Wild mellow wine. And let me show you the dress I picked for my graduation. And let me show y'all. Here's my dress. Can y'all like really see it? This is my dress. It's super cute. I wanted something very like white and very like flowy and pretty, nothing too skin tight on me. And it has some flower, you can see. Then I wear some nude wedges, and I wore the ring that my boyfriend got me. And these are the nails, Kiss nails. These are like the matte version. These are super cute. And yes, I did some loose curls and it looks super cute. I can't wait to show y'all my little clips of graduation. Can't wait to show the clips of my graduation and my little decorations I have set up outside my room. And I want to say it's been an amazing year, and can't wait for the next journey of my life. I'm so happy and blessed. So I'll see you guys after. Bye.
Graduating class be awarded their diplomas at this time. Congratulations, we're very proud of you. Danyel, Anyssa, Vera.
At this time, you may move your console from the right to the left, signifying the official declaration of completion. Please remain standing for the closing address given by Senior Class President Ainsley Mitten, followed by the Mary Carroll High School alma mater. Again to our Carroll High School class of 2020. Graduates, you have officially made history. We love you, Tigers.